Hey guys, it's Driftless Fishing, and today I'm fishing at Kansas here with Jackery Nelson again. Yesterday wasn't very good, right? Yeah, it was pretty shit.
Jack.
It's gonna be warm. There we go. Ah.
Really?
Yep. This is a nice fish too. Look at it, Jack. Oh yeah, this is a nice one, Jack. Real nice. Ah, there we go. Here's another old one, Jack.
A reel is taking shit right now.
Yeah, nice. It's like a 15 inch fish. That's a pretty nice fish, Jack, huh?
Double the amount of fish you tie up.
It's double, it technically is. Alrighty. Jack, this might be juice fucking today.
It's a little one
I know, but still, a fish is a fish at this.
one. Wait,
Oh, it's so another one trying to get it? Trying to get it out of this mouth? It's probably a bigger one.
that was big.
So what you do is you go up here, and then you cast there.
Dude, what the fuck is going on with this thing?
Oh, yep. Another one.
That's a good one too.
Oh, and he's off. Well, that's basically a catch, so.
That's one of the big ones.
Jeez, they're following today, Jack, so we know. Oh, there we go. Another nice one. There we go. Another pretty brown. Get that hole up there. There's a log in there, so. Yeah, here you go, nice, pretty 12-inch brown. God, Jack, they're hammering it today. Oh, yep, there we go.
They're fucking easy. Is it a big one?
No, it felt big because I took out a lot of drag at first, but my drag is loose for a reason. Oh, and he's off now, so. Oh, no. Now. There you go. Yeah. Nice 10-inch brown. There you go. He thought he could get away from you, Jack? God, no. Hey guys, thank you guys for watching Driftless Fishing. Today was a better day, but still a bit slow. It was good at the beginning and then really slowed down, but able to hook into some browns, and it was better than yesterday. So thank you guys for watching.